my dear children, I hope you all are fine and enjoy my previous videos. In this video, we will learn about 3rd standard mathematics unit 4 measurement. Let us learn our topic measurement of length, and the topics are the things which are used to measure the length, types of measurement and its example for both two types, ordering of standard units such as ascending and descending order and its short form, and last topic is conversion of kilometer into meter and meter into centimeter. Before we move on to the lesson, you should know what are the things are used to measure the length. Yes, we can use scale and measuring tape in our day-to-day life to measure the length. There are two types of measurement are used in this chapter. The first one is non-standard unit and the second one is standard unit. Let us learn about non-standard units. The non-standard units are handspan, footspan, pace, cubit, palm, digit, arm span and so on. This measurement varies from person to person. Let us see non-standard unit. The first one is finger width. Raise your thumb finger and measure it. It has 1 centimeter long. Let us find the length of the pencil using finger width method. Take a pencil and place your thumb finger at the point of the pencil and mark it as a 1. Continue this process until you reach the end of the pencil. The length of the pencil is 9 fingers width. Our next topic is handspan. To measure the given object with handspan, you can use your thumb finger to little finger. See the given picture. Here the table is measured using handspan. The length of the table is 4 handspans. Cubit, it is the distance between the tip of the finger to the elbow. Let us try some example for cubit measurement. The length of the bamboo stick is 3 cubit, which is the distance between the tip of the finger to the elbow. See the given picture. In garland shops, the cubit measurement is frequently used. Pace. A pace is either normal walking or double step. It is used either in walking or running. The distance between the man and the tree is 7 paces. Footspan. It is the unit of the distance based on the length of the actual feet. Let us see some example. Here, the mat is measured with the help of footspan. You can walk step by step. It is 6 feet long. Children, let us try some worksheet for difference between the pace and the footspan. The standard units are millimeter, centimeter, meter and kilometer. This measurement is always remains the same. The standard unit always uses centimeter scale or measuring tape. Millimeter. Millimeter is the smaller unit of length. See the given picture. The tip of a pencil is an example of millimeter. Kilometer. Kilometer is the bigger unit of length. Kilometer is the unit of distance which is always measured between the two given places. The short form of standard units are millimeter mm, centimeter cm, meter m, kilometer km. The length of the standard units are 10 millimeter equal to 1 centimeter, 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter and 1000 meter equal to 1 kilometer. Students, let us learn how to use scale. See the given picture and place the object on 0 place value and start to measure. This is the proper way of measuring method. Let us learn about millimeter. It is a smaller unit of length. See the given picture. Pencil tip, crayon tip, rice, and electric wires, screw are measured in millimeter length. Recap: 10 millimeter equal to how many centimeter? Yes, it is 1 centimeter. Centimeter, this is the centimeter scale. 1 denote 1 centimeter, 2 denote 2 centimeter. The length between the 0 and 1 has 10 small line. It is called as a millimeter. So it is considered 10 millimeter as 1 centimeter. Let us try some example for centimeter. Step 1. Check if the given objects are placed in 0 mark. Yes, it is correct. Then find the length of the given objects. The length of the carrot is 9 cm and the length of the pencil is 9 cm. Meter: 100 cm equal to 1 meter. To get a 1 meter length, we should put 10 cm scale 10 times for 1 meter length. Let us see some examples for meter: school bus, table, guitar. The best example for meter is: to avoid the causes of corona, we will keep a 2 meter distance in public places. Kilometer. Kilometer is a unit of measurement which is used for long distance. For example, we will see the kilometer boards while traveling. The kilometer is also used to find the length between the given 2 points or 2 countries in the given map. Ordering of units such as ascending order and descending order. In ascending order, the standard units are arranged from smallest to the biggest form. The smaller unit of length is millimeter. 10 millimeter equal to 1 centimeter. 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. To get a kilometer, we need 1000 meter. Kilometer is the bigger unit of the length. In descending order form, we can arrange the given standard unit from the biggest to the smallest one. The biggest one is kilometer. Afterwards, we get a meter, then centimeter. At last, the smallest unit is millimeter. How to convert the given meter length into centimeter length? Did you remember? 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Let us do some practice. Here 6 meter is given, which is converted into centimeter. We can multiply 6 into 100 and the answer is 600. And another example, 7 meter is converted into centimeter. We can multiply 7 into 100 and we get 700, or simply put 2 zeros after the 7. Conversion of kilometer into meter. Let us do some practice. To get a meter, we can multiply the given kilometer into 1000. For example, here 8 kilometer is given, which is converted into meter. We can multiply 8 into 1000 and we get 8000, or else simply add 3 zeros after 8, also we get 8000. Student, I hope you are all understand the given topics. Thanks for watching the videos.